It's been a while since I've done this. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back after a very, very long break. We don't got to talk about it, but we are going to talk about it. So let's just talk about it now and get the awkward part over with. It's always so awkward after you've taken such a long break from YouTube to come back up here and be like, guys, this is what happened. But guys, this is what happened. Basically, I just needed a break. Things for my business kind of slowed down, so I had to get a job, and my job was taking up all the extra time I had to create. And that's just it. And all my fellow adults know, like, the economy, trash, the world, trash, everything going on right now, trash. So small businesses are literally struggling to stay afloat. But yeah, your girl had to go get a job. Did I enjoy said job? No. Do I regret getting a job? No. And now I can officially say that I quit that job. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I quit that job because not only was it taxing on my mental health, but it was also taking away all the time I had to create. I missed interacting with you guys. I missed giving you guys new patterns. I missed crocheting. I haven't been able to finish a project in I don't know how long. I just missed being a creative. So I had to sacrifice that job so that I could come back here and create for you guys. So with that being said, please subscribe to this channel, please. And follow me on my other social media pages, which is another reason why I took a break, because I wanted to focus a little bit more on my Instagram and grow my Instagram. And guys, since the last time I've been on YouTube, my Instagram has grown from about 10K followers to now 50K of you guys. And I could not be more grateful. So make sure you follow me over on Instagram. I'll put it somewhere here, and I'll also put it in the description below. And also, if you guys haven't noticed, we're in a new space because I also moved and now I have an actual office. I will grab the camera and give you guys a little view of what we got going on so far. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. So if you want to leave comments of what I should add to this room to make it more cozy, to make it more crochet girly friendly, let me know. But this is what we're working with so far. Cute. So we have my little book section over here. I put up this hammock thing to hang some of my chunky yarns. I got this bench slash shelf from IKEA that I filled with yarn. We got a new whip bin from Five Below. Literally love that thing. If you guys want to see what's in my whip bin, let me know. Got my squishies. Right now, this is Milo's little area, but I would really like to put a comfy big chair right here of some sort. And then this is the desk. I want to put up some shelving right here so I can put some plants and some more artwork and a whiteboard and blah, blah, blah. I feel like I'm boring you guys now, but yes, this is the new space. So yeah, guys, so much has changed in that few months that I have been gone from YouTube. Has it been a few months? I feel like it's been a year. Anyways, I'm not going to talk your head off for this entire video. Well, I kind of am going to talk your head off for this entire video because we're doing an unboxing and we're also doing a Q&A. So I got to talk your head off for this entire video. But now that I've explained myself and why I've been away for so long, we can get into the unboxing because these packages have been sitting right here on my desk since I moved in. Moving was so hectic. I know I wanted to film what was in these boxes, so I had to wait until I moved, unpacked, got my office together. These literally were delivered a month ago, like literally a month ago. So now let's get into it because I'm so excited. I already opened the boxes. I'm not gonna lie to y'all because why would I not? I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So first, we're gonna start off with my JoAnn's package. Ooh, ah. So let's get into what I bought. So first, we're gonna start off with this little box inside the big box. This I actually haven't opened, so I don't know what it looks like. And because I bought it a month ago, I don't remember what I ordered. Oh yes, I ordered me a little yarn bowl. Actually, it's not so little because I have big skeins, so I needed a big bowl. And I wanted one with a cover. Oh, this is going to look so cute. I'm so excited. So this is the premium yarn knit and crochet yarn bowl from JoAnn's. It's actually nice and heavy. I thought this was going to be pretty light, but it has some good weight to it. It's giving real wood. It's giving real wood. And it's going to go so cute in my office because all the wood in my office is this color. So this is literally perfect. Why did I just film this whole entire unboxing? This whole entire unboxing, and my mic was dead. My microphone was dead. So now all the clips have no volume. So we gotta run this back. We gotta run this back. And
let me just go in the bush and weep. Let me just go in the bush and weep. I just have to go in the bush and weep. Really. I don't understand. I swear to God, I don't understand.
So the second thing I got in my JoAnn's package is this new whip bag. I had a previous whip bag, but it didn't really do me justice, and I'll show you guys why in a second after I finish showing you this one. This one is from Susan Bates, and as you can see, it's nice, it's big, it's spacious. It has two little eyelets at the top so you can feed your yarn through. So you can just put your yarn in this bag and work, and your yarn won't tangle up because you'll be able to feed it through these two little holes at the top. And it has a really nice front pocket, and when you open it up, you can see your whip and your yarn right here because it has this little clear window. And it also has sections for your scissors, your hooks, your needles, whatever you use, whatever fiber art you participate in, you can put your little accessories right here. I use my Telfar bag as my whip bag, and I needed something that I can put inside my whip bag to section off, you know, my yarn, my project, my hook, my needles, for everything else that goes in that bag. So this is literally perfect. This is what my old whip bag looked like, and while it is great and it's personalized, so it's very cute, it just doesn't hold a lot. Like, it's very small. There are no sections in it, so like my yarn, my project, my hook, my scissors, my needle, everything has to go in this one pouch, and it often gets very tangled up. Now with this, I'm pretty sure the project that I had in that other bag will fit nicely in this with no problem. So here we have my current whip, and look at how nicely that fit. It fit perfectly, and it still has room too, so you might be able to fit more than one project in here, but we won't, because why? We're only working on one project at a time this year. That was my New Year's resolution, and I've been sticking to it. And I don't remember how much this costs, so go down to the description where you'll find the links of everything I got in this package so you can figure out how much it costs, because I don't remember. So up next, we have this cotton yarn from the Knit and Crochet Premium Yarn brand on JoAnn's. This is just some plain old worsted cotton yarn in the color cream. I am typically not good when it comes to buying yarn. Like, I will buy yarn in crazy colors just because it looks cute or because it's soft, and then I'll make something with it and I will never wear it because it's in lime green, and I don't even remember the last time I wore lime green. So because I'm more of a neutral wearing girly, I am only buying yarns in colors that I actually wear. So that's why I bought this much of this cream cotton yarn. I've also been working with cotton yarns more lately. I know everybody loves acrylic. Everybody lives and dies by acrylic. However, cotton yarn has been growing on me. It has. So I just wanted to stock up on some more cream yarn. And last but definitely not least, we have these Clover Amour crochet hooks. I have heard so much about these hooks. I've heard so much about how these hooks help with hand pain. So of course I had to buy a few. I got them in the size 3.5, 6, 4, and 5 because those are the sizes I use the most. I'm really excited about these. Here's what they look like. I already opened one when I did the unboxing a couple minutes ago, but my mic was dead. So these are the colors I got. I'm probably gonna get more if I really like these, just because I never really got the opportunity to buy my own hooks. All the hooks I have I inherited from my grandmother. I'll show you guys. Almost all of the hooks and needles that I currently have are from her, so I'm excited to use these. I'm excited to use something different. I've never used any hooks from the Clover brand before. The whip I just showed you guys is actually being worked with a DK yarn and a 3.5 hook, which, as you know, 3.5 and down, you're gonna get a lot of hand cramps. You just are. The hook is so small, your hand is gonna be screaming in pain. If I'm able to finish that whip with this hook and no hand pain, I will definitely come back and tell you guys that Clover hooks are the best thing in the world. but I'll have to test them to see. That's it for the JoAnn package. Now we're gonna move on to my Katya Yarns package. Katya Yarns. My New York accent is like tripping me up when it comes to that. But I got some yarn from Katya Yarns, and since I have already unboxed them because I recorded this already and there was no audio, yes, I'm gonna keep bringing it up because I am very mad about that. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what I got. So we're gonna start with the Cotton Merino Fine yarn from Katya. This yarn is under the Concept division of yarns, but we got 4 skeins of this blend. It's beautiful. It's a cotton and wool blend, and I typically don't really use wool for my projects, but I couldn't resist this. And as I told you, I've been leaning more towards cotton, and I haven't really used any cotton blends, so I really wanted to try this out and see how my garment came out with using a blend. So we got 4 skeins in the color cream. Here's a little close-up. And then we got 3 skeins in this pretty like pink color, this pretty like salmon and creamish blends. And then last but not least, we got some Cotton in Love yarn, which is a Egyptian cotton and merino wool blend yet again, but this time this one is Egyptian cotton, which, if I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know the difference between regular cotton and Egyptian cotton. I probably should have looked that up before I started this video, but it feels really nice. And it definitely feels completely different from the yarn I just showed you guys. Like, this feels more like cotton and the other ones feel more like wool. And we got it in this like steel gray color. And yeah, that's all that I've had sitting in my office for the last month. Of course, now this dog wants to be barking in the video. Clearly, the universe is against me today and does not want me to get this video done. But we're getting this video done by any means necessary. Any means necessary, because I sat down, I showered, I got cute, I smell good, I set up this tripod, I cleaned my office just so we can get this video done. So it's going to get done whether there's a dog barking in the background or not.
She is a disaster.
So I asked you guys over on Instagram to send in some questions so we could do a little Q&A at the end of this video. I got a few more questions that I was hoping for, and this video is already long, and this is the second time I'm filming this video and answering these questions. So I'm gonna keep it short, and I'm just gonna answer my 3 favorite questions. So number 1, what's your favorite part about owning a crochet business? I will say my favorite part about owning a crochet business is the impact I have on you guys. You know, the followers are fun, the community is fun, getting sponsorships and being able to monetize my art is all great. Nothing compares to the fact that I have impacted so many of you guys, and so many of you guys have told me that you started crocheting because of me, and how, you know, you've been trying to crochet for years, but it took one of my videos to help you have your breakthrough. Nothing compares to that. Nothing warms my heart more than that, and nothing makes me want to keep going more than that. So that is definitely my favorite part about this business. Number 2, what is your favorite kind of crochet hook? I actually don't really have like a favorite brand, just because most of my crochet hooks were given to me by my grandmother. But as far as like crochet hook material, I definitely love metal hooks. To me, it's a metal hook supremacy. I don't like wood hooks. I don't like plastic hooks. I really despise plastic hooks. Sometimes wood and plastic hooks can cause your yarn to like squeak, and I really just don't like that feeling. It like makes my skin crawl. So I prefer metal hooks, mostly Susan Bates hooks, but you know, I just got those clover hooks in the mail, so maybe that will change. Maybe I'll come back and tell you guys that clover hooks are my new favorite hooks, but right now metal hooks are top for me. Next question is, when did you decide you wanted to be a full-time creator? What's funny about that is I actually started this business as a full-time creator. I started this page in the middle of COVID, right after my grandmother passed. I just wanted to do something to honor her and to honor the skill that she taught me, and then it blew up. At that time, I had just moved to Atlanta. I didn't have a job yet. I was just focusing all my time and energy on this, and because it quickly started making me money, I decided not to get a job at that time. Of course, you know, we talked about in the beginning of the video that I got a job last year because I went through a burnout, you know, and when you go through burnout, your business does suffer. So I got a job last year just to make some extra income and have a stable paycheck, and also to help me when tax time comes around. But because of how mentally taxing it was, I just left a few weeks ago. So I'm back to being a full-time creator, and I guess what made me make that decision was that my job was taking all the time away from me, and I just couldn't create as often as I did before. It just wasn't what I wanted. It just wasn't what I wanted. And the last question is, what are your favorite and least favorite things to crochet? My least favorite thing to crochet is anything that takes me too long, period. Like if I'm making a maxi dress with DK yarn, good luck getting me to finish that. I actually tried to do that once and it did not go well. It's still sitting in my whip bin. I think I actually just frogged it a couple of months ago because I was never gonna finish it. And like blankets, I do not like doing blankets, even though I'm literally sitting on a blanket that I made before. But this was knit and I only did this in 3 days, so not too much on me. But crocheting blankets, not for me. Shout out to those that do. I can't do it. My favorite things to crochet are cute tops. 100% very cutesy, very demure crochet tops are my favorite. Things that I can actually wear and wear often. Like, and I also, strangely enough, love making cardigans. Even though cardigans do take a bit longer than, you know, cute tops, crop tops, shorts, etc. It's just something about making a cardigan. It's just something about making a cardigan that just feeds my soul. I don't know what it is. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you sat through this whole thing and watched me chat and lose audio and come back and refilm and audio change and dog barking in the background, if you sat through this whole video, I literally love you. I literally love you. Please make sure you follow me, not just on this platform, but on Instagram as well, because that's where I post every single day. That's where I interact with all of you guys. And don't tell anybody I said anything. Don't tell anybody I said anything. But I will be reviving the Patreon very soon. So within the next month or two, there's going to be a link in the description to join the Patreon, because I will be doing tutorials over there as well. So get your pockets ready. And let me know in the comments what you would like to see on my Patreon. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I've been yapping a little too much and I'm exhausted. So I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Thank you to each and every one of you that have stayed subscribed through this long break. I'm so happy it's over, and I'm sure you are too. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.